In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if this is your first time using the platform. Zoho CRM organizes different business records into modules, and the Products module is where you'll create and manage the items or services your business sells. This is useful for keeping your sales process organized and making sure your team has accurate product information available when creating deals, quotes, or sales orders. From the main menu, click on Product. This will take you to the Products section, where all existing products are listed. If no products have been added yet, the page may look empty, and that's completely fine. This is simply where your product database will begin. Look for the option to create a new product. Then click on Create Product Name to begin adding a new entry. Now you'll be taken to the product creation form. Here, enter the product name in the appropriate field. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, since this will help you and your team quickly find the product later. It's a good idea to use a consistent naming style, especially if you manage multiple products or variations. Next, enter the vendor name. This is important if the product is supplied by a specific vendor and you want to keep track of sourcing information inside your CRM. After that, continue filling in the other necessary details shown on the form. Depending on your Zoho CRM setup, this may include information such as product code, manufacturer, unit price, quantity, description, or any custom fields your business uses. The key here is to be as accurate as possible, because complete product records make reporting, sales tracking, and team collaboration much easier. Before saving, quickly review everything you've entered. Double-check for spelling mistakes, missing fields, or incorrect values. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion later, especially if this product will be used across multiple records in your CRM. Once everything is complete, click Save. Your new product will now be added to Zoho CRM and stored in the Products module, ready to be used in your sales workflow. And that's how to add a product in Zoho CRM.